Sink or swim when the bell goes off. No emotion in the trade, cut it, no loss. Ride the wave, don't fold, don't bend. One shot in the market. Sink or swim, yeah. From the open to the close, we win.
Hey, good morning, gangsters, and happy Wednesday. Look at that, our microphone is working, our music is working, everything's actually working today. That's amazing in itself. We survived yesterday. Man, all-time high trading. I absolutely hate all-time high trading. It's so stinking hard, isn't it? You know? Got just chopped the heck up yesterday. My first trade. Oh, just kept averaging into it. Insanely enough, that account went down to $89 worth of drawdown. And I actually saved it. I recovered it. Back up to 50,360. We have 618 of drawdown left on it. So not as much as I would have liked. We ended the stream yesterday too, doing a little bit better. And of course, as we do, we try to sneak back for just one more. And that one more didn't work out. But that's all right. We're still here. We're still fighting. We're still kicking. And we got to see, man. I mean, again, there's a lot of targets to the downside, but that's how we started yesterday. And the market just said, no, sir. Said, no, sir. We're just going up. So we just got to see. I mean, 175. This should be a pretty darn strong support point. 180s here as well. Which, of course, should send us ripping the hell right back up. Who the heck knows? I don't really know how I'm going to trade today either. I keep telling myself, be patient, especially after yesterday. At the same time, there's a little bit of me that's like, whew, let's just do this thing. Lambo today. 9:28. We got 1 minute left now. What are you doing over here, NVIDIA? I'm surprised NVIDIA is still a little bit low. I feel like we've had such good AI news lately too. Man, I literally cannot wait for the SpaceX IPO either. I've been just salivating about that. I did a whole bunch of, just reading up on it again yesterday, and just insane too. The valuation's insane. Everything's about it's insane, but we're going for it. You know, they had $23 trillion valuation. Insane. We got 10 seconds left. Let's see. Everything at the moment is pointing down. But what would be the point of being bearish today? There's no reason to be bearish, really. Nice little stab down. We're down here to the 160s now. 200 EMA is down here to the 150s. Man, again, usually, like I said, I'm not usually one to do an instant trade like this because they've never gone in my direction. But maybe today's the day. Nice little sell-off. Let's see if we can't get this thing to turn around. I just can't imagine there's really that much of a reason to be bearish on the day today, is there? Maybe. But again, just a continual reminder, wait those first couple minutes. Basically, we wicked below the 200 EMA. Let's see what this brand new, nice little juicy green candle brings us.
Sink or swim, but we float together.
There it is. There it is.
Either way we better.
No.
Every day
Oh, she looking weak still though. Ooh, Nvidia's sinking like a rock at the moment. Yeah, that's not good. All right. First one didn't work. It's all right. That's why we don't take those early morning stinking trades, man. Oh, I always just get so tempted sometimes, you know? So stinking tempted. So if Nvidia loses this little shelf here, let's just look over, man. I mean, Nvidia's got a long way to fall back down to like the 208s would be kind of the next support point on it. She's selling off pretty hard right now, though. We're forming a nice little bear flag here. Slowly pushing back up just a little bit. ES is still falling. We definitely have a lot of targets to the downside. This is a pretty nice green candle, though. I guess we should have held a little bit longer. Yesterday's high was 118. We basically came down. Oh, didn't quite hit it yet. Hey, good morning, D.O. How we doing today, good sir? Man, I don't even think I saw you yesterday, did I? I hope all has been well. Trying to figure out this finicky market, man. Admittedly, I did terrible yesterday. Yesterday was a terrible day today. I did not do well at all. I was just jumping in and out of trades. Ugh. Today will be better, though. Man, Marco. Shoo. So that account, I got it down to $89 of drawdown. I ended up losing at one point like $1,900 yesterday or something like that. I got it back to me only losing like $750. Walked away. And then unfortunately, of course, as we do, decided to come back. Kept trading it. So that's the account I'm on today. Unfortunately, I just made a dumb trade this morning. So we're down $80 today. But we only have $570 worth of drawdown. So we definitely got a baby or just a little, you know. But still, from the $89 worth of drawdown that I had, I was like, holy shit. Looks like this bear flag wants to break out. Oh, it's pushing, pushing, pushing. Hopefully it's not trying to just fake me out. I feel like I'm more bullish on the day than I am bearish. So probably should have waited for confirmation there. But let's see. Target would be like a 30,080. I could see us coming down to the 30,080s. So gonna try to be a little bit more patient with my like add-ins and things like that. Trying to be slower with my trades. But you know how all that goes. Yeah, man, frustrating stinking day at the end of it, right? That was a pretty frustrating day. Nvidia's coming back up, man. We're looking weak, but I don't like that Nvidia's coming back up. There we go, though. Real nice sink so far. Might as well drop the stop in case we get a good reaction. Basically came down to the 100s. Target still being the 80s. Nvidia's curling up right now, though. So we need Nvidia to decide to keep selling off, and then we can keep continuing it. 936 right now. We technically created our 5-minute range, and we're technically right now wicking below it. Yeah, tapped out. Yesterday, Nvidia steered you wrong all day. Well, kind of not. I don't know, man. So the worst habit that I got into yesterday. Oh, you put goldfish in there. That's nice.
I actually put
Okay, no more though. You can't eat any more. But that's a good little snack, all right? Yeah, man, you're right. I got into a terrible habit yesterday of not necessarily even following the candles right in front of me. I was really watching like kind of the direction Nvidia was going, and then seeing if there was enough of a kind of bias that agreed with it for me to take the trade. But I am still surprised we're selling off. I don't know. It just felt like this market, was just gonna run. Look at this. We're definitely ripping down in the 80s then. We got to put a wick on that. Oh, shit. I was a little bit too slow with it. 84. We still got to come down to the 80s, though. We have to put a little wick on this 5-minute candle right here. But then we might find some support, so we definitely got to be careful now. Drop that little stop ram. Might have a rejection off the 80s. Well, let's see. Easing into it, gang. Easing into it. This should be pretty darn strong support. You'd think that the 56 is now. Or the 40s, 56s, 40s. We got a lot of support in this level, so I'm getting... I don't know if I want to keep shorting. We did have a 1-hour candle that didn't have a wick on it. That has a wick on it now. Oh, geez, we actually have another 1-hour candle that doesn't have a wick on it. So we should come all the way down to the 40s, actually. The 40s should be a very realistic target. Let's see if we get any type of a response back up. Well, again, with the 40s are right friggin' here. Why am I getting so excited? The 40s are right here. That's, yeah, minimal. I guess minimal reward for the risk. Because we might put a wick on the 40s and then just zoop, and sneak right the heck back up again. Q's filled their gap already, so that's good news. We came down to the 53s.
It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Right down the chart, but the count stay green. From the open bell to the final round, we just wait for that. Come on down. Yeah, man, spin the wheel. Read the chart, play the game, but play it smart. Big up Bob Barker. When the market drops, we don't beg, we just smile and say, come on down, 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 down.
Still looking weak, man. Still looking weak.
Yeah, man. Early morning, screens light up.
Here's a new 5-minute candle right here.
Shot fill up.
Damn, I was thinking about getting tapped in, which I would have gotten tapped in actually right now. Huh. Again, risk versus reward. 155 is essentially your stop. So it's a 100-point stop right now. And all I would be trying to target is 10 points to the downside. Those are the trades I got to remind myself to not take. Damn, we are so weak looking right now, though. There we go. There's the 40s. So now that 1 hour candle has a wick on it, this might be close to a bounce. Oh. If not, it's coming down to what? 980s would be our next kind of support point. I guess let's wait for at least one green candle, but I definitely want to. I definitely want to get in the long sooner than later. Nvidia's holding the 212s. I mean, Q's is ripping down. ES is ripping down. We're not looking great. Why does this not have orb on it anymore? I can't remember which one I like the best.
Trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that wrist. Other said, don't rush like this.
Is it this one? No, definitely not that one.
Teaching how to rise or fall. But it close, they both that changed a bit. Not just numbers, but the way they think. One so clearly where we went too fast. Start to know that patience really lasts. They didn't say it loud.
Oh yeah, let's see if we can start getting a bounce and a push up now. Let's see. That's a nice little green candle. No, came all the way back down, straight back down to the bottom of it. All right, we're coming back to the 30,000s then. The 980 should be strong support, right? Fuck me though. What a nice short so far.
Not just trades, not just cause, but the voices.
Yeah, yesterday's orb was 940s. Here's our 980s.
We grow again.
Damn, Nvidia came down to the 210s. Oh man, Nvidia does have a gap all the way down here at 196. That's kind of crazy. Look at that. Oh, hold on, how do we do that? We gotta start scrolling through this stuff a lot better again. So Nvidia, I don't know, man. I don't know if we'll have a sell-off like that, but we do have a gap way down here at 196. Otherwise, right now, we're kind of at this little support point. If we lose this, if we lose the 210s, we're gonna come down to the 206s. So trying to keep track of all that stuff too. Q's is trying to get green. We're maybe giving a little hope of green. Charles, good morning, good sir. Yeah, dude, me too, man. I've been super bullish. And I've just been kind of waiting. I was waiting for it to kind of, I wanted to jump in at the 30,000s, then I want to jump in at the 980s, and then I haven't jumped in at all. You know, we just took London and Asian lows. Looks very bearish, though, you see. Let's see, what time is it? Here's our brand new 5-minute candle. Damn, nice rip up from the 63s. It's doesn't look bad as long as it doesn't keep sinking. If it's a 90 MA rejection, then I guess we're probably going to keep going down. But if not, yeah, it's just getting a little bit too weak still. Damn. Damn, Charles, I'm getting itchy. I'm getting itchy, bud. 960 now. So, I mean, I don't know. Realistically, this is kind of the support point. Oh, shoot. We do still have yesterday's gap fill, though, or Sunday's gap fill. That would bring us all the way down to 580, though. Holy shit, guys. Are we going to 580 today? Another 400 pounds? Another 400 points? That would be kind of insane. Yeah, that would be insane. That would be a crazy freaking day. Especially because we've already dropped a couple hundred points. So we're at a 5-minute pivot point right now, but it doesn't seem like we're caring at all. This is yesterday's top side of ORB is the 940s. Doesn't seem like we're caring about that right now either. Wow.
Channel growing, people tuning in.
980s again. Dang, 40s are average candle size, so these are big. These are big candles and big swings. Man, Charles, too bad we didn't do the 5-minute orb today, right? 5-minute orb played out beautifully today. That was just a perfect, you know, candle closure and then continue to sink, 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 sink. Still sinking though. Damn, so if it breaks the 937s, I mean realistically what would it be? If it breaks 937s. I guess 900s, 890s. I like that push. On the 5-minute candle, it hasn't retested orb yet. Says Charles. 5-minute candle hasn't retested orb yet. Yeah, you're right. It's just gone up. There we go, getting a nice little push up. Come on, let's see if we can get back to the 21 at the very least, up to the 52s maybe. There we go, still pushing, still pushing. Let's see if we can break the 21 now. Man, if we could just get a nice separation through the 21 right now, we could just hold the stop right here and see if we can't retest VWAP instead. That would be beautiful. I think we're going to get wicked right here, though. Yeah. So Charles is saying ES left equal lows to the new week opening gap. I think ES is going for that. ES left equal lows to the new week opening gap. Oh yeah, right. What is what was ES's price? So ES would have to come down to, ES would be 7,486, 74.86. So this is what Mr. Charles is talking about. Here's the gap right here, 7,486 to 7,517. I mean, it's a big gap too. And right now we're at the green line right here to give you a reference point. So we're almost to the fall off the cliff point, which would have been that 518. So it'll be interesting to see too how we how ES reacts at 75.18. I should write this stuff down. You know, I got to be a little bit more studious when it comes to this stuff. Plus that I can use a $600 pen. Just a little subtle flex. All right, let's see. Man, do you see all these beautiful, like, copious notes that I took? This is from when I was at the BDH too, right? At the BDH, this is all the different notes that I took while I was down there, you know? Has it made a difference? I don't fucking know. Maybe. All right, so 75.18, 75.18, and then 74.86, 74.86, ES gap. For NVIDIA, we're not NVIDIA, Greg, we're not NVIDIA. For NQ, the gap was, oh, I can't see that tail perfectly. So NQ was 29,676. 676 is where you know, we opened the fall off cliff point, whatever. So the gap would bring us down to 29,540. 29,540. Damn. So again, that would be 500 points from now. Am I thinking that we're going to sell off 500 points? No. Not unless we get something crazy. We got to get some crazy news, I guess.
Rise with the sun, sink or swim, we teaching everyone. New York open.
All right, so all that being said, Q's is forming a nice little bear flag. NVIDIA has some crazy wicks pointing up, though.
Nasdaq moving, yet the candlestick clean. Hit record, now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, I show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when
If we push through 64, well, let's see. If this turns green, we need this candle to turn green, then push through 66, and then I think we could target VWAP. But right now, she's looking red. Oh yeah, NVIDIA just lost its support. NVIDIA's bear flag's playing out.
from the small account, growing up to a crown. Get the mindset shift, no shortcuts here, just a long-term gift from the charts to the life
Ooh, Nvidia. Man. What time is it? 9:56. We don't have any news today to worry about. But we do need to wait another candle, I think. Oh my goodness. There it is. If it pushes through here, if it pushes through 49. Ooh, it's looking good. New candle coming in 15 seconds.
Now the channel growing, people tuning in from across the world. Yeah, we building a win. Every stream another life get changed, from confusion in the charts to a structured brain. Now remember when I didn't understand. Now I break it down simple, step by step plan. If I can do it, yeah, you know you can too. Just stay consistent, let the process come through. Sink or swim, yeah, we rise every day. New York open, yeah, we lead the way. From the first trade jitters to a calm mindset, turning doubt into a system you can trust and bet. Sink or swim, yeah, we building it right. From the morning bell into late night light. More than money, it's a life.
Got a new candle coming in 15 seconds. Just see what she's gonna do here. Man, on Bookmap we have a huge target to the downside, the 29,000 like 930s or something like that. I can't even see it. Oh, that makes sense because that's just that. Nah, never mind. That's just basically the support. That just might be a spooful thing.
But we float together. We no learn. Either way we better.
Hey, Miguel. Good morning, good sir. Man, are we going to friggin' push or not? That is the question. We got 30 seconds left, and we got a brand new 1 hour candle. I said if it pushed 65, I wanted to get in. That's what it's kind of doing right now, but it hasn't pushed it yet. Yo, Snakeskin. Let's get to the chopper. Get to the stinking chopper. Charles! I love that fucking song, man. It is a very good song. Damn it, dude. I hate that. Sometimes my computer plays a song right away, sometimes it doesn't. For me to hear. It always plays it for you guys to hear. I can never hear it. Charles, help me! Get to the chopper! He didn't want breakfast. I got him a Tony. I don't know. I don't need breakfast. Why do you need breakfast? And he did. He wanted. He had a little snaggy pool birthday. Yeah. Dude, the song really is so good, man. The song is so good. Well, that would have been my tap-in point. I would have been tapped in right there at 65. It does seem like she's formed a little bit of a bull flag still. But on the 5 minute, we're forming a bear flag. Nice, nice, nice bull flag. No friend, just fake intent. Every move It's gonna go up, says Snakeskin. Dude, I think so too. I've been so stinking bullish on the day. And there you go. Now we're just barely squeezed out a new high. Alright, we're gonna target VWAP. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of a retracement back to the 40s, but hopefully it doesn't go beyond the 40s. Because this could still be a bear flag playing out. The 200 on the 5 minutes is way up here at the 140s. So again, 140s VWAP. It's a pretty sensible target, I feel like, as long as the market doesn't decide to get bearish. So unfortunately, the stop is kind of down here in the 300s. Here's our 50s, so we got to make sure we don't get a rejection here at the 50s. Man, I hate to just drop the stop in, but it almost feels silly just let this stuff run sometimes. We can always jump back in if we get stopped out, gang. Especially after yesterday, man. I got to get my confidence back up after yesterday. Not too much money yesterday.
Not every day is a trend. Some days you just survive.
I didn't do nothing, babe. I did the ducks. I hung out with Rory. I did all the dishes. Then I friggin' played with Rory. We got a Tony out. I got my stream set up. I did a lot today. We banged. It was a good day. It's a good stinking day. I did all that in like an hour. I did not do the dogs.
I'm asking if you did the dogs so that I don't double feed them breakfast because he's chomping at me.
You asked me and I answered, and then you gave me some sass.
I did not. I just said, did you feed the dogs? And then you went off on a tantrum.
You get the heck out of here. Good grief. Trying to do stuff over here. Which obviously, guys, we have very playful banter. I posted that video, Jackie, you know, chastising me the other day, and somebody was like, "Your poor wife," and I was like, "We've been together for 12 years. It's just how we talk to each other. It's not, we're both smiling and laughing the whole time. We're not throwing lamps at each other." So kind of glad I got stopped out. But I still kind of want to jump back in. Look at our EMAs are starting to curl up kind of nice. But admittedly, we are forming bear flags. Man, look at this. We're about to push through again. We're about to push through. Come on, gang. What the heck? I mean, I know I put too much weight into NVIDIA. But at the same time, she looks so stinking scary. I really want to be bullish right now. I really want to just start taking longs and taking longs and taking longs, but NVIDIA is scaring the shit out of me. Like, look at this. How can you look at NVIDIA and think like, hey, this is a good idea? So NVIDIA's bear flag is kind of slowly playing out, but it's super choppy, super wicky. It is at potential support. But then we got like a terrible looking bear flag on ES. We got a terrible looking bear flag on Qs. We have a crazy looking bear flag on NQ. Ugh. So as much as I want to go long right now, all this stuff is scared. I'm getting too scared. No, they said they felt bad for me.
Where is that? Oh,
They said it's time for an upgrade. I just gotta scroll up.
really? An upgrade? Good luck with that.
What do you mean? I got good qualities.
Am I supposed to rebuttal that?
No! You're supposed to love me like a good loving wife should.
I do love you. I'm a good loving wife.
My God.
Upgrade, she just might not love you as much as I do.
What?
I don't really know if you can upgrade this.
You're looking very, very good. I'm not gonna lie. You're looking very, very good.
Really no upgrade.
Especially for your age after kids and everything.
For my age? I'm not old.
I mean, not to say it like that, but yeah, look at all of our friends. You look way better than them. Not to say that, but I don't know. Yeah, put together. It's a good thing.
Young and hot. Not old.
I'm young and hot. Put a baby in me. No. Get out of here. Excuse me, Greg? Says Gio just said, excuse me? Well, yeah, but Gio, I don't really want to talk about your wife because she's a brand new wife, too. Besides, I mean, you kind of know, too, man. Not to talk about that stuff, but she's a gymnast, right? So your wife looks great, too.
You got a young hot wife.
Yeah, so you got a young hot wife. I got a young hot wife, you know.
Emphasis on the young.
Right? And I don't mean to, say that about your wife, But, well, Jackie said
I
it.
said it first.
Yeah, and then I paired it to her, But yeah, man, exactly. Yeah, Gio's wife. Oh man, now we're going on a fucking tangent. She'll say she's a gymnast, so she's great too.
She's great too.
For the freaking chat, she's great too, gang. Fuck me. Oh, so bear flagging, right? Is this a fake out? We kind of got support back down here at the 30,000s. I guess let's see if it pushes back through 30,010. I think shorts are in play, as finicky as this thing's trying to be. But still, there's not like nobody's really fallen off the cliff yet. Like it's just slowly starting to go. And then there's 30,000's gonna hold us. Man, what a hard place to trade right now. Real hard place to trade. I guess to be safe, we really needed to break through the 980s. And if it breaks the 980s, then we target, low of day. Oh, his bed? Well, yeah.
Lay on this underneath your desk while you're working.
No, he lays on it all the time. No, it's like a quarter. Like in the morning, he transitions to this because it gets too hot under the bed. $9.97s. Oh, now we're getting teased to go long? Come on, man. What a finicky day. This is definitely a choppity day, man. This is definitely a fight the chop day.
But we float together. We no learn. Either way we better. New York open. Every day.
Pull up. What's she gonna do? Geez, actually, this is very nice. I'm going to get yelled at again.
Are we doing impromptu treasure?
Here it comes, gang. Welcome to friggin' Sink or Swim, the dating show. I said he's been very, very good lately. We really appreciate how he's been listening to us. And instead of watching TV right now, why don't I let you open up a new Tony? You can choose one. Jeez, thanks, Dad. Love you. Because he doesn't ever choose the Tonys. Like, literally, we've had those 4 Tonys in there. But he doesn't want it. Whenever he saves up his tickets, he wants the robot, he wants the cash, he wants stickers, he wants everything else. He never chooses the Tonys. Those have been in there for like a year and a half. So since we have $150 worth of stuff just sitting there that's not being utilized, can we trade now? God damn I got 3 people watching me right now. Actually, how many people? I'm gonna cry if I only have 3 people. But I really only have 3 people. So I got 4 right now. I got 5. Got 5 people watching right now, Jackie. Oh man. All right, Charles. We had a massive drop. Now it needs to settle, then make a new move. Yep. Now it did do what I wanted it to do. It did break through the 980s. Well, not through the 980s, but it broke through this little section right here, the 989s. We are getting a little bit of support at the 980s because the 980s, blah, 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 blah. 3 watching and only 1 like. We moving in the right direction. Oh, no. Moving in the right direction. Charles, are you my 1 like? Gio, you didn't even like it. He's like, motherfucker, you haven't made any money. You haven't made any money for me yet. Yeah, this is a slow day, gang. We're up 25 bucks. Oh, God. After yesterday, you know, I don't know. A little gun shy. Whoops. He goes, whoops. He goes, well, I heard you talking shit about my wife, so. All right, 983. So, I guess if it comes back up to the 70s, I don't know if we're going to get that or not. But we'll try to do a big old short. But yeah, I think we just need like a definitive move. What time even is it? It's 10:14. We're about to get a brand new 5-minute candle. Let's see how much of a push-up we get right here. This is technically a little tiny baby bear flag again.
We float forever.
20 seconds left. Man, today's going to be an exciting day of, since we're not talking about stocks at the moment, of friggin' goat building. I'm going to build, my neighbor has that ginormous house being built next door. And they're finally throwing all of the, scrap wood and stuff in their dumpster. And there's huge, just a lot of nice wood. There's a lot of nice scrap. I'd be pissed if I was this guy, if I'm being honest, because they're throwing away a lot of good shit. But we backed up the truck. We got a lot of good shit. And we're about to make a huge goat playground out of it all. There we go. If we reject and break back through the 30,000s, I think it's just time to start entering the short, because that would be a nice little rejection. If we can break through this. Come on. Give us a stinking setup. We're going to try to play the shorts, gang. Without confirmation, I think I'm going to see if we get tagged into the 70s. We just have to make sure we don't break through 100. If we break through 100, then that's your stop. You got to get out at 100. Nice push up there off the 30,000s. He's confused. He's like, what the hell is this here? ES just made new low of the day. Come on, be patient, Greg. Be patient. I'm trying to be patient. I'm not patient. Forming a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 minute now. Ooh, ES, or I mean NVIDIA. NVIDIA is starting to fall. If it could break 21040s, we're going to get a nice little flushity flush. Come on, break it. Break that 210. Break it, break it, break it. Break it, break it, break it. Break it, break it, break it. If it breaks the, 30,000s again, I might add into this. Bum, 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 bum. When Alex on again, I don't know, man. He said he'd be available sometime this week, and then, Memorial Day happened. Yesterday was a shit day. I haven't reached out to him again. Damn it, dude. Bull flag forming here. I probably should have dropped that stop in. But ES is still falling. So yeah, I don't know, man. And then we're actually going on vacation. Ooh, I'm getting a phone call. We're going on vacation actually Saturday to Saturday. So I don't even think I'll stream. In fact, I'm pretty positive I won't stream at all next week, gang. Which is going to be nuts. I haven't gone a week without talking to you guys since I started this channel, But we'll be on a cruise ship, and the, data packages and everything are just absolutely bananas. Look at this bull flag. Son of a gun, man. I was up almost 25 on it. I guess I missed the invite for the cruise. Yeah, dude, would you ever want to do stuff like that? I mean, we could certainly try. Same thing with my sister said the same thing. She's like, man, I probably would have went. But we literally just booked it. You can always DM me if you miss me next week. I will, bud. There's that break finally. There's that break, gang. Which, man, I almost want to... do we want to add into it? Watch that just wick down just to friggin' pop back up. Still at the 30,000s here. Come on, I really want to get like a low a day type thing, right? Nvidia's still selling off. We should still be selling off. Now we just got to break through the 80s. Yeah, dude, that would be fun. But yeah, we just randomly booked this thing like 4 days ago or 5 days ago or something. It was just it was a very last minute impromptu thing. Yeah. Free monies. Free monies. Who wants some free monies? Nvidia's down to the 310s. Sell everything. House, car, sell on Nvidia. Just sell it all, he says. Sell it all. Sell everything. I know. I'm thinking about adding into this, actually. If it comes up to like the 30,017s or something, I might add in again. Well, not again. I haven't added in at all yet. Or I was going to say, or if it breaks this, I might add. Man, I hope it just sinks, though. I hope it just falls instead of comes back and retests. You are up over 50 points, says Marco. Yeah, man. Yeah, especially from the original one. Now my add-in is screwing up my average a little. But yeah, she's not bad so far, bud. She's not bad so far. Still falling, still sinking, still looking real nice and juicy. Which, thank God, again, this account was the one I fucked up yesterday. Stupid thing. Wow, you're holding that MNQ for over 100 points. Yes, good sir, yes. I am. Not to say I am him, but I am him. They put spotlights in the sky for me to come save people. New lows coming. Yeah, watch me. I'm about to get fucking wicked. Look at this. What a dumb trade now. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it, gang. We're just going to hold it. Today's the day. Good or worse. Look at that. Our stops are going to be way the hell up here. Shut up, Marco. He goes, yesterday you weren't. You turd. Ah, shit. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA's turning green. Watch this whole thing come back on me now. You're up 50 points and you didn't take it, Greg. You dumb shit. All in, says Hydro. Dude, I know. Ugh. I keep getting nervous because I keep looking over at NVIDIA. Every time NVIDIA turns green, it makes me nervous. I get squeamish. Wish we should be playing our Bob Barker song right now. Legend of the stage.
Big respect to Bob Barker.
Man, break it again. Break it again. Can we break the 60s, please? Nasdaq Futures. Dang, gang, we are all up almost 100 points. Actually, we are up 100 points now, right? From the original. Come on, low of day. Come on, you sneaky bitch. Look at that. Look at that trade. That's not a bad trade. It's a little bit better of a trade than yesterday. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take one anyways. I don't care. If it gets stuck at 60, you might want to move your stops. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. I'm going to put it right down here now anyways because we already got to almost tapped low of day, you know, so sometimes they're like, no, fuck you. Whoop. Come back up to the 40s. Hey, Marco, look at that, good sir. That is a 100-point trade now. That's over 100 points. Shoot, man, what was the original entry? Now we actually want to show this stuff. Now we actually want to show it. Oh, damn it, I'm doing the wrong things. Look at that. That original entry was at 30,042. Look at that, gang. Look at that. That's more than 100 points. That original gang. That original one was more than a hundo. Phew. We'll just bring it down to this guy now. See, why couldn't today be like? Why couldn't this trade be the trade that I went heavy in? Why do I have to go heavy in the trades that don't make a difference? Which, man, again, our gap is just so far down. What did ES came down to? No! 7486, 7486. Charles, weren't you supposed to be watching this, sir? ES filled its gap? You didn't go heavy because it never went against you. I know, Marco, you fucking asshole. Don't you tell me that stuff. Don't you tell me that. Which I try to listen, man. I try to do that too. Like, and then I go, listen, stop going. I keep saying listen, sorry. Oh, so then I try to transition to, you know what? From now on, stop going in with 1. You have to go in with 3, you know? And then I started doing that, and I started going in with 3 every time, and then going in with 3 every time. Didn't end up working out. Guess we might as well pull this thing down. Oh, look at that. That is 100 points right there. Almost. We're just a few ticks off 100. Charles says, now hold all the way to the 29,800 minimum, he said. But look at Charles. ES just filled its gap, right? 7482, 7486. So ES officially filled its gap. That could have been a good bounce point. Wait, that wasn't its friggin' gap. I wrote the wrong stuff down, didn't I? 7486, 7519. What the hell was I looking at? Oh, god damn it, guys. Dyslexia. Hold on. Hold on. Charles, where was that gap? Oh, here it is. 7486. 7486. What am I doing wrong? 7486. Oh my god, man. I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm about to get stopped out. That's alright. Man, great friggin' trade. Great friggin' trade.
For you?
Yeah, it was a great trade.
Did you make up your
7534. 7534. Man, I don't know. Again, numbers, which is so dumb to say on a trading show.
Are you sure this is your calling? If you keep calling out how dyslexic you are.
7533. 7518. So that's what it was. It was just the 7518. 7525. Okay, never mind. This is basically where ES almost touched the fall off the cliff point before what would have been their gap fill, but they decided not to. We decided to push back up a little bit too. Man, my brain just friggin' shut down for a sec. Hold on. All right. This trade is working awesome, says Marco. You let winners run. Previous day for London low, 29,743. We might get back into it, man. I'm not mad about that stop out. If it comes back up to, like, I mean, again, let's see how it reacts back up to the 30,000s. Then maybe we join in again. Man, that first trade though, that was almost 100 points just in itself when I took it. Damn. 30,040 down to 29,924. That's a damn good trade. Yeah, especially compared to this thing. Look at this little guy. 24 bucks. Though again, stopped out at the right place in all honesty. This one was obviously taken early. Ooh, we have a 5-minute candle here that doesn't have a wick on it. That's what we're racing towards right now. That'll bring us up to the 966s. which is kind of too late to call it out now, but we should definitely hit the 966s. If we're getting momentum to go up there, we should. Let's see, 966. Or again, that might be a good 966 might be a great place to start the short again. If we get it, we might not get it. Damn, still breaking, still breaking. It's not giving us a chance to enter it. The 20 didn't even hit the 21 as a rejection. Last time it was hitting the 21, it was coming up to the 50. What time is it? We're about to get a brand new candle. Let's see what this candle does. I think it's going to go without us. Shoot. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, down to the 876 is crazy kind of wick reaction. Nvidia's gap is 190. 196.53. 196.53 is the low side, and then the high side of it is 198.57. 198.57. Man, again, that's just, I don't know. That'd be a lot of selling off. That would be a huge amount of selling off, and with SpaceX happening soon. So that's going to be so curious, man. I literally cannot wait for SpaceX's IPO. That's going to be a crazy day. Crazy, crazy, crazy day. And it'll be interesting to see what happens with like the Mag 7 and stuff like that. Like you would presume the Qs will go up, right? Because we're adding a brand new company, you know, to the portfolio. But I guess people are going to be selling stuff to buy it, right? So the Mag 7 probably will dip a little bit because that money will be, you know, switching hands over to SpaceX instead. Kind of a curiosity. Like I have Meta right now. I'm considering getting rid of my Meta before that happens. Nvidia has a gap to the upside too. But it's way the heck up there. 235.54 is a gap. 231 to 235. Gaps are magnets, gang. Shoot, look at that. Look at this push up. Crazy wick down here to the 880s just for us to start pushing up again. Alright, so like we talked about, I know we said too many dang things today. But let's see what kind of a retest we get here at the 30,000s, and then we might be able to sneak her back down. There we go. No, those 5-minute candles have wicks on them. Boom, boom. Oh, we might be bunking our head against a trend line. Let's see.
won't give in, I ride that way. Sink or swim, oh, no safety line. Just the charts in this heart of mine. High tide, I'm diving in. It's the trader's life. Sink or swim,
Ugh.
no lifeguard, no rescue call.
So Charles reminding us previous date for London low 29,743. Still some good targets to the downside. Good. I am surprised about today though. I was bullish on the day. I was very bullish on the day. I can't believe that we've had the sell-off we've had. Marco goes, you weren't heavy because the trade didn't work against you. That's so funny. Try a little guy right here. Obviously it's early. There's no confirmation or anything. And we've gotten a pretty good push up so far. But let's see. This is, you know, we've been respecting the 50 the whole time. We have our little trend line right here as well. Stop would kind of be up here in the 30,060s. So if it pops up there, we'll probably add a couple in. And then the true stop will be, you know, 30,098. Man, we didn't even hit our 50% of orb target, which would be 852, or the 100%, which actually would line up with Charles pretty good, is 738. It's 1040 right now. Let's see. Kind of slowing down a little bit. Charles says, let the best win. If we break the 30K, I'm going to set my stop loss at break even. Let the best win if we break the 30,000. So you're saying if we break 30,000, you're going to short it. And then you'll just put your stop loss at break even and you'll just let it run for the rest of the day. Is that what you kind of saying? Oh, you're long. I didn't know that, Charles. You should have told me. Did you tell me? I'm long from 9:45. No, Charles, you should have told me. Man, yeah, you caught a nice, I get it. Boom, pushed up. Boom, 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 boom. Nice, bud. I get it. So now your stop, you have your stop right here at break even now at 9:45. I'm going to TP the 5-minute orb retest. So retest for you is what? Would it have to hit top side of orb, so 30,192? Or is retest for you the midway point, which would be kind of like the 30,085? 30,122. Hell yeah, buddies. Get that monies. Oh no. Stopped out. Man, you're making me nervous about my trade now, Charles. Now I'm going to start put my stop in a little early. Well, there you go, Charles. Now we can both win. Woo! Now we want it to go up. Go up, go up, go up. Go up, go up, go up. Haha. He's so cute. Roars. You need a tea or anything? Yo, my 5-year-old, to help my wife relax the other day, brought her cucumber slices. Like, you know, meant to bring cucumber slices, but instead just literally chopped a full cucumber in half. And then gave her the nugs that were like both this big. And so she just had giant friggin' cucumber nugs on her. She's looking so funny. This is the life. Alright, Charles, I like it, bud. As long as we don't break the 72s. Yeah.
Nasdaq moves still fresh in my head, but today is waves where the lines get red. Meg on the boat with the ears in the wind. Jet by my side like let's go again. Ducks glide by in the perfect row.
Ooh, I like that wick.
Candles in a steady flow. Fire up the wick.
Don't like Nvidia though. Nvidia's still just looking so weak. Are you excited? Have we decided how we're getting there yet? I know what you want to do. You want to park our car, you know, 10 minutes away from the place, so it's a cheap parking spot, and then we're gonna get an Uber over there. Blah 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 blah. But yeah, that's gonna suck. It might not though. If it only saves us $100, I want to do the train. Well, yeah, that's what I said. Just make sure, and then obviously the Uber from there over there, because you know peak blah blah blah. That would be like 30 there, 30 back. You know, I mean even that you can do the research on, like type in the pick me up from here and how much is it gonna cost. Forming kind of a bull flag on the 5-minute for us and Qs. What are the chances that we actually push up? You know what we probably need is more lines. Put more lines on here, then I can really confuse the market makers. If we overlap the previous 1-minute candle to the upside, we're good. But if we do the opposite, I'm in trouble. It's looking pretty good, man. Yeah. She got pink hair. you. Man, Charles, look at this trade. Look at your trade, sir. Oh, man, it just matched it. It matched it and didn't push it yet. What time is it? 10:47. We got a new candle coming in 5 seconds here. I mean, the fact that it pushed, though, at the last 10 seconds of that candle, it's got to push right now, right? And then we'll have our 10:50 candle. That usually gives us a little bit of value. Well, volatility, I should say. My big Paw Patrol there. London Asia low is still holding the line for the Bears. For the Burrs. Oh my God. I can't believe the Asian session last night and just after hours and everything else. The fact that we almost hit 30,400 is absolutely insane. Man, we just stuck in this chop zone. Chop, 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 chop. He's got a little hole in his undies too. Ooh, look at ES. ES just broke the previous two candles. That's interesting.
You know what video I came across yesterday?
Uh-huh.
The video of Wyatt when he was 2 years old. The first time he showed how to do the cat.
Oh, and he just dies laughing. Uh-huh. Yeah, people didn't like that one. I posted it, and I the caption was, we had this video of my kid, like my 2-year-old, watching a cat video, and like it sees like a little thing of it, yeah, like pooped out accidentally, then looks down and the poop scares it like a snake or something. It jumps so high. My 2-year-old dies laughing. Like it's such a funny, cute like laugh and everything like that too. And so the clip just instantly goes from like nothing to him just dying laughing a second later. And the caption was, "When I tell my wife no more Amazon packages." And then there was like the reaction of dying laughing. And then a whole bunch of people thought I was a misogynist and all this other shit. Man, she's looking strong, Charles. I don't know, but it's so conflicting too. It's like this last 20 minutes has been real bullish looking. But we're overall bearish. Still getting nervous of this guy.
And then close the drawer. Okay? Here, wait. Take this too. That goes in your bedroom. Yep, seriously.
Seriously. There you go.
Now Jet is deciding that he only eats the meatballs.
Yeah, well, he's been having the squirts lately, so something's wrong.
Oh, no more meatballs for you. Sorry, kid.
Yeah, he literally went to the bathroom like, I don't even know, 5 times, 6 times while we were out in the goat pasture.
Today?
Yeah.
Sorry, kid. No more meatballs for you.
Well, you just have to make sure there's rocks in there, too.
There's always rocks in there.
Yeah.
But he chooses to eat just the meatballs.
So yeah, beautiful bull flag. Ugh. This guy though is selling off, looking real ugly. Nvidia was selling off like crazy, but finally got a little bump back above its 200. Or is that its 9? Ugh, I gotta get that off of there. That's the 9. I don't want to. I don't care about the 9. Yeah, I only want the 200 on there.
Jet.
Yeah, these are better to all have orb on there instead. Well, what do we think, gang? What do we stinking think? We're up 330 on the day. Much better day than yesterday. Oh. Charles says our volume is falling. So that should mean that the move isn't going to continue, right? We're having volume falling as we're slowly pushing up. Doesn't that mean that that the push up will fail? And we should have a kaboom instead. You know what I'm going to be annoyed by though? This has been a long time of chop now. I can see it doing a quick wick just to get people excited. And it's going to do the exact opposite. Brand new 5-minute candle coming in just a sec.
Yeah, man. Rise with the market. Rise with the sun. Sink or swim. We teaching everyone. New York open. Every day.
976. 965. 976.
Started with a vision and the chart on the screen. Nasdaq moving, yet the candlestick clean. Hit record, now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the wins, yeah, show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live, let the knowledge we bring. Real time moves, no edit, no trim. You either learn fast or you sink or swim. Sink or swim.
See, now is this going to be the wick to get the shorts excited and then we're actually going to go up? Or are we going to keep selling down now? Oh, maybe just selling. Dang, is it just a sell-off? It might be. Damn, yeah. Just sell off. Yep. Let's see though, if we end up getting a green candle, I might chase along here. Especially we're about to go into our new 1 hour candle. Got 10 seconds left of this candle. Let's see how the next one reacts. Oh, Nvidia did have a good push down though. It's down all the way down to 209 now. 30 seconds left to this candle. I just want to see how she reacts. Nice response off the 920s. Here's our brand new candle. Let's see what she does. It's holding nice. We are forming a bear flag, but let's see. With this 1 hour push, I can see it pushing up a little bit. I'm probably going to be quick with a stop.
New York open every day. Pull up.
30 seconds. Not really great, but it didn't break at least the 36s yet. 4 seconds left. Come on, let's see what kind of push we can get. Definitely not the push I wanted, though. Nope, stopped out. Yeah, it's 1 hour still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Still making new lows. Just waiting again, waiting. Friggin' chop, man. Such a long time to chop. Then finally, boom, boom. Now are we going to have an equal long time to chop and then boom, boom? Or what?
It's a place to be. time. Yeah, man. No rush, no pressure. Just show up, learn together. Sink or swim, we float forever.
Just kind of trying to wait till 11:05, see what it looks like.
Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game. Nasdaq Futures. Step right up. Greg on the mic say, come on down.
All right, 1 minute left. Let's just be patient.
Screen light glow. Future sticking with your way. Contestants standing by the line, trying to read price like a dollar sign. He said higher, but he start to slip. Greg just smile with his short side grip. Spin that wheel, let the number fall. Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it head up high, but they don't see truth on the other side.
So he's starting to do too. Wait, I don't even know where my phone is. Oh. Yeah, I know it. Well, I mean, they are. I don't know. They're starting to hopefully come in. I mean, we gotta order those. Let's order let's order 100 of those. You know, things today of both styles. Just do the $20 one. And then we'll start with that. Just kind of see if there's any type of response and things, and then go from there. Man, she just keeps looking real stinking weak, huh? The shitty thing is your stop is going to have to be so high. The stops for this trade are going to be like 30,020. It's like a 100-point stop.
Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Bid too high like a wrong showcase. Now you're stuck in a losing place. But if you wait and you time that drop, you can ride that wave straight to the top. Lesson learned in the price we see. Market moving like a game show spree. Every tick got a chance inside. If you know when to switch your side, come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Red down the chart, but the count stay green. From the open bell to the final round, we just wait for that. Come on down, yeah man, spin the wheel, read the chart, play the game, but play it smart. Big up Bob Barker.
Dang, we're just right on that cusp, man. Just wanted to stink and do something.
We don't beg, we just smile and say,
ES is trying to form a W almost. We got to make sure we don't get a W pattern into our face. Hey, Jose. Good morning, good sir. How are we doing today? We're doing okay over here. We're 270. We got a little beat up yesterday, though.
sink or swim, go live, chat fill up.
Oh man, is it gonna push all the way back up to the top of the range again? Let's see. Hopefully not.
Everybody's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning gloom. Saw the candles dancing near VWAP line. Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. I typed it quick so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. But another voice from the shadows replied, said slow down man, I was on that side. As Greg spoke, I'm breaking down the play. They kept talking in their own small way. Win or lose, they would both take part. Two different minds, but the same young start. And the chat went back and forth like waves. Two traders talking about the wins they get. Little bit of pride, little bit of truth. While learning in the sink or swim move. Some days grief,
About to get a new 5-minute candle.
but they kept showing up like Greg once said.
But admittedly, this one pushed a little bit harder than I thought. I thought we were going to get just another chop rejection like we've gotten for the last, you know, the last 10 minutes. And then, of course, the second you finally decide to join the chop, bloop.
Voices in the scroll, trying to master self-control. One said, tighten up that wrist. Other said, don't rush like this.
Damn it, look at this thing push.
Greg's voice steady,
All the way back to the 980s.
teaching how
Charles says if this thing runs up, he's going to be tilt for the rest of the session. I mean, we'll see, man. It's kind of at that point right now. Oh, honestly, I'm putting in too much size now. I should have gotten stopped out by now. Because admittedly, yeah, it just keeps kind of keeps finding a little bit of strength. Everything's forming bear flags again, but we need it to start coming down.
just cause, but the voices behind it all. Sink or swim, we grow again. Turn it up tonight. Feel the neon light. We don't slow down when it's going up. We just run the tap.
Come on, you stinking thing. All right, new 5-minute candle coming. Come on, we're 10 points away. Come on. Come on down, you little thing. So obviously, like, that's literally right at a shelf. My blue line's going to provide support unless we just break through it. Oh, look at that. Break even. Damn, look at that price target, gang. That's not a bad stinking trade. Not a bad stinking trade. Not a bad stinking day, gang. Broke back into the thousands. 51,000. Woo! Woo! Thank you, Jose. Thank you, Mr. Jose. I appreciate you, sir. Man, we've had some good stinking trades today, actually. We've had a couple different trades that have been really good trades today. I was puckering up for a little bit. I puckered up for a little bit. But look at that, right back down to the chop. Charles, help me! Man, Nvidia is bear flagging. If it could just lose its support, we might be able to hold this trade for a little bit. We'll see. It might get wicked out here, though. Come on, you stinking thing. Just sink, 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 sink. Man, I should have gotten made out of all of them. So long, I took the bait. 5 minutes later, it reversed its fate. Then shorts come in like this is it. Next candle squeezes and they all get hit. Range bound, torture, sideways war. Every fake move feels like something more, but it's just noise in a jagged loop. Price action running in a cycle. Come on, baby. Break through the 20s, please. Every move gets bent and then gets spent. Fight off the top. Shake 'em out, then it pops. Reverse, revert, every setup drops. Fight off the top. No escape, no top. If you overtrade, then your account gets stopped. Whipsaw. Chaos. Market laughs at your buyers. Dude, such a good song, man. Chaos. Some days the market don't trend at all. It just builds you up just to make you fall. And the lesson buried under all the noises. Alright, we're going to bring our stop down to the top of this candle here. If it breaks through that candle, it's going to come up probably to the 50 again or something. Hopefully we don't get wicked out. We'll see. Oh, we might get wicked out right here. New candle coming right here. I'm going to follow this one down, though. These candles are slowing down. I think that I mean, we should still break. I just don't know when it's going to break. Some days, you just survive the chop. Is it going to break right here? God, that'd be nice if it would. Just right there. Boom. Just blast right through right now. Blast right through right now. Oh, break it right now, please. Break it right now. There we go. That's what we were waiting for. Man, I've been so pissed if we had just gotten stopped out. Which we're probably going to get wicked now. It is what it is. Too volatile. Unless it just stacks it. 15 more seconds. It could stack it, but I'm guessing the next one will wick us because we're at the 900s. Unless it brasts down to the 80s. Can we get the 80s, please? We got 4 seconds left. Friggin' wick, dude. What do we get wicked at? We were at basically 910. What could we have done different? I don't know. We could have left the stop way the hell up here, but that just seems ridiculous. 940. Got wicked out at 910. Let's see. Could we have done a lot better? 916. What are we up on the day? 650 on the day. 650 on the day. 1120. Woo. Don't get caught in the chop, 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 chop. Caught in the chop, 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 chop. Sometimes I just gotta keep it up, you know? Because then it reminds me, like, not to trade. It's like, you've done okay so far, Greg. You don't need to take a trade if you don't need to. Damn, look at this. It's gonna break the 90s. She's still breaking nice and solid. ES just broke into a new low. New session low. Damn. How far can she go? How far can she go? How far can she go? La la, how far can she go? Shoot, man. All right, so let's re-talk about that then. My God. So I got stopped out at 910. 910 I got stopped out. Oh, it went to 918. So if I just waited a little bit longer, we might have been able to sneak a little bit more out of it. Admittedly, I think I would have gotten stopped out here instead. Now that it's pushing back up. I mean, just playing the chop again. I guess I always wanted to come back up to the 940s, you know? Something like that. Because even this one, you know, I entered early. I entered down here or something. Got my average to here, but it did come all the way up to here. So I did need to be patient. I was positive on the trade, but I was still way too early. So I think the same thing is going to happen. I think it is going to break the new low. I think we're going south. I don't want to short yet, though. It's probably the same thing. You probably want to short up here like the 950s almost, just like this was. You want it to come back up to the shoulder, break the 940 shoulder, get the shorts nervous, come up here to 950, and then we're going to sell off. That's my plan. Let's wait for a 950 sell. Man, I love that. I got a whole bunch of beautiful trades today. I love that. And it was all at different parts of the day. Like Jose just gave me a beautiful trade. I got a beautiful trade from Charles and Marco earlier as well, man. We've had some really stinking good trades today. It's been a good day, gang. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe if you made a little bit of money with me today. A little bit of schmonies. We're trying over here, gang. We're trying. Maybe we'll be back to the BDH one of these days. Hang out with Mr. Patrick Wieland. Patrick Wyland. No, of course not. Of course not, that motherfucker. Just wait and let's see. Let's see what it does at the 950s. Hold on, gang. 20 more points. Man, I still can't believe this account was down to $89 worth of drawdown. I only had $89 worth of drawdown yesterday. We made $1,300 since yesterday. Good God. Man, 89. That's back against the wall. That's like one little sneeze and you've blown your account. Slowing down quite quickly now. Now we're at 21 for our average candle size. I'm trying to wait for the 950s. Probably be my last trade, I think. I love that thing so much. That's such a cutie. Oh. Ooh. Well, we'll have to talk to Mama. She's the one that knows how to sew them. Sorry, gang. We're getting quiet as we're waiting. I think I'm just going to give up. Look at Spiky. Look at this little cutie. Look at that. Whew. Dude, honestly, this thing is so cool. I should just wear this thing. There you go. Well, shoot, there's a 950 tab. I'm not really taking it yet. Now that it's here, do we still want it? What time is it?
I think so.
Oh, hey, broccoli. Look, I got Spiky.
Oh, is he a dinosaur?
Yeah. I'm a skelly dinosaur.
Well, you're definitely in a costume.
Oh, I thought it was just my bones.
Seriously?
I didn't know.
Yeah, but I'm a dinosaur too, you know.
You are a dinosaur too.
Because I have a long neck.
All right, let's see. 930, 950, 940.
Hey, Dad, look at broccoli. Dad, look at broccoli.
All right, just waiting, gang. Just waiting and seeing. This is a really good stinking push up right now. I mean, I think we got to try it at the very least, right? I'll just try 2 of them. I'll probably get out of them quick, though, because I don't want to ruin my day. Stop, obviously, is like 980s, where we've rejected a few different times. Again, though, I think I'm going to be quick with this. I'm a little chicken shit now on the day. Oh, come on, baby. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Come on, come on. Settle back down, settle back down, settle back down. Hold on, Rose. I gotta concentrate. Can you stop for a sec, please?
Daddy was doing a dance party. Why are you wearing spikes?
All right, gang, we're out of it. We didn't hold that very well. This is the trade that I've been obviously waiting for. Admittedly, it is getting a little bit more of a push up than I was expecting at the moment.
Hey, Dad.
I still don't hate it though. Like 980 should be a pretty good resistance point. The 30,000s. Hold on, baby. It might be another good resistance point.
Hey, Dad.
I'm going to call it on the day. We're 650 up. Obviously, as we tell even from that trade, my mind is just starting to go. Now that we're over 51,000 too, just nice round number, you know. We don't want to ruin that. And the kids need me, and we're about to go on vacation in 3 days. So the wife needs me as well. Too much stuff pulling my attention today. I love you guys all. My God, can I say bye?
How will you let Spiky talk when Sting's right here?
Oh, have Spiky talk instead? Okay, Spiky can talk instead. Okay, guys, so love y'all to death. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I hope everybody was green. You know, it's 11:32. We're up $654 on the day. So we're super stinking excited. So that's it. We got a vacation coming up, and we got to do a whole bunch of stuff. In fact, we're gonna make a goat pen today with a bunch of wooden stuff. Love you. That was fucking weird.